Oh, that smells nice.
What is it?
This one.
What is it?
Hasn't got any sun.
Can I smell?
Nice
Smells
smell.
like honey.
Does smell like honey, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, this one smells.
And then did you see what is that looking at? Can you see what is that looking at?
Smells okay.
You keep sniffing things.
Yeah. You go up here, stand there, and come around. I want to see the frogs. Do you want to see the frogs?
Do you know, Daddy?
Yeah.
What is it, Dennis?
Rayo.
Okay. There's a big hole. Dear me. So what has happened? No Braille trail.
It's blocked, Dennis. Can't go. Let's go here.
Are you sure we are not getting lost in this forest?
No, it's Braille trail.
What does it mean?
Oh, you can feel it. Look at that beautiful bird. Oh.
Where?
These are food factories. Daddy, look. These are food factories.
See them.
There's the Braille trail. It comes all the way around here. Look.
And there's a bench.
Wow.
What are you doing now?
We're bending down.
What do you feel? Bits of wood, sticks, leaves, sand. Smell it. What does it smell like?
What are you doing?
Oh, smells
Disgusting. You look awesome.
Guys, look, a bridge.